procedurally and within the existing legal framework.
Okinde matie doho ma Siaya noriwore kod jowadgi e riwruok mar Okinde LSK e ng'anyo mar Okinde pacho ka mangima ka gikwedo jatend piny William Ruto kuom chayo kendo seyo bad sirkal mar doho. Kotelnegi kod okil Leonard Okanda, Okindego nokwedo seyo ma kinde ka kinde ma jatend piny osebedo ka luwo ne doho ka giparo ne jatend piny ni doho ok en bad sirkal maduong'. Okanda nomedo ni jatend piny onego chiw luor makende ne doho machike ochungo kar kende kar luwore ni bad sirkal maduong' kod mar doho duto ni koda ting' momigi kod chike.
The national government, and particularly the president and his executive, that number one, the judiciary is not a branch of the presidency. It is not an appendage of the executive. Both the presidency and the judiciary are creations of the Constitution. They all exercise powers donated to them by the people through the Constitution. And for that reason, it is extremely important that the president learns the need to respect the independence of the judiciary and the orders that emanate from court.
We want to affirm that in as long as we are alive, we shall continue to uphold the rule of law and the Constitution, and any state organ or any state officer under the illusion that they will willfully disobey the court orders and of course violate the Constitution will be met with full force.
We maintain that we will maintain the fidelity to the rule of law. We'll defend the oath that we took as advocates to protect the rule of law, and we just need to remind the president that